Nick Mangwana ochachigwadzisa vanhu panhau yemavillas akavakiwa. So munoona kuti ndo tension iripo pakati paona nafadzai maire. Ndoto vanenge vachiti aiwa mwine wani mari kubuilda those villas for SADC Summit instead kuti muite national development. Vanhu anoyanyora achiti 12 villas to accommodate high level delegates during the 44th SADC Head of States and Government Summit are almost complete, with the materials to construct the remaining 6 expected in the country by Thursday this week. Murezi asipere mushe sambida mashoko abudanyigwa Nick Mangwana kuti subscribe like kuti on the bell icon. Anora achiti materials to construct the 18 villas in conference center in Mount Hamped were sourced by the Abu Dhabi, with the last shipment expected in Beira, Mozambique this week. As preparations for the summit move a gear up, it has always emerged that out of the more than 50 sections of road that were earmarked for reconstruction and widening, over half have been completed. The remaining are set for completion in a fortnight. Sachimbotu mafungiro enyu munoti kudipa msoro pemashoko Nick Mangwana aiwa at the EMA preparations for the upcoming SADC Summit. Tudze mafungiro enyu pina comment section yedu. Subscribe, like, on the